This is the motor from Karcher pressure washer. The pressure washer, I left it into Karcher in Dublin for repair as it wasn't working. They diagnosed the motor as being gone, particularly the windings were gone. So we opened it up and replaced an overheat thermostat on it, put it back together again, and so Karcher wanted to sell me a new pump or a new pressure washer. They told me this motor was beyond repair, and well, we fixed it for €5. Now we're ready to reassemble it, and I've attached the pump to the motor. The motor we know is working. It's all in the case, but I just noticed something. This tube here, which feeds the detergent from the tank, and it connects here onto the cap, and the cap screws onto the bottle which sits there. But you can see pipe is too short. They gave me back the wrong pipe. Great. Now we have it all back together again, minus the tube because it's too short. But something I should have pointed out when I took it apart, the casing is held together with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, but you'll see this one is missing. That was missing when I got the unit back from Karcher. Okay, we have it more or less back together again, so we have it turned on, water's connected, lance is connected, so just try it.